This is the new door. Your mind goes to brain fog. Listen.
So I recently crossed 40,000 subscribers, which is like really a big deal for me. I mean, I know for some of you it's just 40,000, but for me it's like really a big deal. I never even thought that I'll even cross 10,000 subscribers. So thanks a lot, guys. And few things I would like to clarify that I get a lot of these messages that my videos are sponsored by someone. No, my videos are not sponsored, especially not by KTM, because I get these messages. I know KTM is sponsoring you. I know KTM is helping you. No, KTM is not helping me in any ways. Although I would love if KTM will help me. So if anyone from KTM is watching this video, please, I'm all open for your help. So please help me to, do more long rides. I do all these long rides, and you think KTM is really strong and all that. I know that. So I know I'm promoting KTM, but what can I do? ये देखो महाराजा बर्गर किंग का बच्चा. Okay, so yesterday I was at Bandra and my clutch cable broke. It just snapped. Of course, my bike is like more than 2 years old now. Even if you'll notice, my horn is not working, and also if you'll notice the clutch cable, I know you really can't see. Okay, can you see this part? It's bending from here, so each time I'll take a turn, squeeze like this, and because of that, see, like this, if I take a turn, it's getting very hard and it's not really nice, because this wire, it belongs to Pulsar 150 and not KTM Duke 390. But I had to put this wire because this guy who was closing his shop, so I requested him to please, help me out. But then he gave me this shitty cable. It was like a Kaam Chalao cable. What to do? So now I'm going to KTM. I have to replace my horn, change my clutch cable, and also get my bike serviced. I'm going to get bad tan for sure. It's so hot in Mumbai. It rained yesterday. I mean, it drizzled for some time. Then it rained also, like for like 10-15 minutes. Some part of Mumbai, like in Lower Parel, it rained heavily. In Powai it drizzled. In Bandra it drizzled. And then in Borivali side, I know I should wear my hand socks, whatever, I wear it all the time, but I've lost it somewhere. So if you really want to punish a driver or a rider, just give them a vehicle without a horn. He'll get frustrated like in just 10 minutes. So here I am in KTM Vikhroli. I hope they are not busy. Okay, they seems to be busy. Let's see. Where? Yeah.
Hi Ralph.
Hi.
बाइक
देखो ना यार.
Hi.
Hi.
So first subscriber under 100.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
So today they are busy because today is Thursday, so I don't think I can get my bike serviced today. So I have to come tomorrow. What I have asked them to do is change my clutch cable because it's very difficult to ride with that bad clutch cable. So they are changing my clutch cable. Okay, a quick update. They did service my bike today only, so there's no need for me to come tomorrow. The horn is also working. There was a case with the loose wiring. So yeah, thank God I don't have to come tomorrow.
This one, of course, because this has a GoPro. Not today, my friend. Not today. Okay, so it's the next day actually. It's right now, it's around 2:30 in the afternoon, and I have to go to Thane now at around 5 o'clock in the evening. I'm going to Thane at 5.
because I'm having all subscribers meetup over there, because I promised them that after my Hyderabad I will come and visit them. Although Thane is just 12 kilometers from Powai, still, you know. Today is actually Friday. I was supposed to be having this meetup on Saturday or Sunday, but tomorrow I'm going to the, I think, I'm not really sure, KTM Orange Day, which is in Malad, in Orbit. And then day after tomorrow, again I'm not sure, I might be going somewhere for some official work which I really can't disclose. So that is the reason I am going to Thane today. Okay, so I am all ready and it's time for me to leave. I'm looking cool, right? I'm wearing this jeans, this old t-shirt, and of course my LS2 helmet after a very long time.
So Wasim is here, Zayed is waiting outside. Zayed किधर है?
हमेशा की तरह
लेट है, अबे अपने को पहुंचने का है. अबे ये क्या कीला घुसा है? नहीं, पत्थर है. पत्थर है, पत्थर. Okay, so we are all set to leave. Also, I'm getting a lot of questions regarding this flame slider. So I got from Pitstop Build Performance. This one and even this one. This one is for 800 rupees. And this one is for 3,500 rupees. So if you want these two things, especially the flame slider, because I think 3,500 rupees is very cheap, so I'll provide you a link, provide you a contact detail over here. Also check out the description box below. You will get all the details on the website, and they're really nice. So in case if you want it, you can see the quality is really nice. Okay. Accident? Yes. Accident. Okay, so we have reached near Viviana Mall and Kalap. He'll be taking me, he'll be assisting me till the open lake. क्या बोलता भाई? एक नंबर लग रही है. Zayed is still missing, again missing. We met him crossing the toll naka, but I don't know where is he now. Chalo bhai. Finally came. It's 5:20. We still have 10 minutes to reach, and I think it takes around 5 to 7 minutes to reach Uppal Lake from here. Now I know I'm not even like 500 meters away, so the nervousness is hitting me. I'm getting all nervous and scared. It's natural, you know, you feel nervous.
बाइक पार्किंग भी नहीं है, तो इधर वी कैन मतलब लोग आएंगे तो साइड से
इधर पार्क कर सकते हैं. हेलो. ओके सर. कौन सर?
So I'm finally here in Uppal Lake. Behind me everybody's walking. Now we are finding a nice spot where we can stand and no one can find it weird.
$40,775 सब्सक्राइबर्स.
हाँ तो
अभी 1-2 दिन में तो 50,000 पूरा हो जाएगा. तो
1-2 दिन में कौन करेगा रे?
ये करेगा. पब्लिसिटी हो गया ना भाई.
8,000 सब्सक्राइबर कहाँ से मिलेगा मेरे को 1-2 दिन में?
अकाउंट मिलेंगे. अरे एक दिन में कम से कम 1,000 ऐसे ही मिलते हैं भाई. 1,000 ऐसे ही मिलते हैं भाई.
हो ये बात है.
जब फटती है दिखाने का नहीं फट रही. अरे 24 फ्रेम्स पर सेकंड में तो सबका फेस ऐसा ब्लर्ड होगा. स्लो करना पड़ेगा. अरे आज क्लीन शेप मारा मैंने, अजीब लग रहा है. दिस इज 0.2 ट्रिम.
निखिल सर इधर एक क्वेश्चन है.
So it's 7 o'clock in the evening and I'm very tired because I was talking non-stop. and I think they enjoyed. ये बंदा बहुत खुश होने वाला है. भाई मेरे को तो सीधा कैमरे के सामने मिला. I am not like this in real life. I'm kind of more loud and more aggressive in a good way, not in a bad way. You guys agree, right?
Yes.
So yeah, so once you'll meet me in the future, थोड़ा घूम के बोलता हूँ. So once you'll meet me in the future, then you'll understand how I am in my real life. And my purpose of meeting shooting चल रही है इधर. And my purpose of meeting you guys is like I want you to understand my real personality. I want you to talk, and I want all these people to come and then meet each other and to form a group also. So it's a nice view. I will just show you. What do you call that mountain? Yor. I missed the sunset.
कैमरा इधर की
और तू तो आता रहता है वीडियो. हाँ तो yeah, it was really nice.
सिगरेट होल थ्रो दो सिगरेट होल थ्रो दो
बोलना बोल चाय चाहिए. ये भट्टी है लोग कैमरे के सामने, पब्लिक के सामने. Lot of good questions were asked. I think I'm getting better and better each time I meet my subscribers. I'll finish it up, wrap it up over here, and then I'll leave and subscribe to Mumbai Ka Nikhil. सब ब्लड है वैसे भी. इसमें म्यूजिक प्ले होगा. So just don't ask me whether I'm gonna edit this anyways. Don't worry. So it was really a tiring day for me. Right now I'm just having my sep puri and my black coffee. I know it's 12:30 in the night and it's really not time to have a sep puri, but I just felt like having, and my mom got this for me. So yeah, why not? First of all, I would like to thank all of you guys who came to meet me. You guys really made my day. I mean I can't thank you enough. And I hope slowly I could meet all my subscribers from everywhere in India. Usually for YouTubers it's not possible. But I'll make sure that it happens. I don't know how, but I'll make sure this happens. Nowadays I'm getting a lot of messages from Kolkata, a lot of viewers from Kolkata. I cannot promise, but most probably next year I'll be coming to Kolkata. So I'm sure. I'm sure. As you guys know, it's really difficult to plan things out and execute those plans, because I still have to go to Kerala and Chennai and a lot of places. Ladakh, of course. First week of June I'll be going to Lavasa. So hopefully I'll be coming to Pune also, and also third week or second week of June will be Ladakh. Just updating you guys. I know I'm using Ladakh almost in all my videos. I know not all of you are on my Facebook page. Still, if you're not on my Facebook page, please do search for Mumbai Ka Nikhil. It'll be here somewhere, and go and like my Facebook page and make sure you click on this something which by which you can be updated on all my posts. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to give this video a like. I know most of you will, but still, and please comment down your thoughts, whatever you think about this video. Please comment down below. I'm trying to improve as much as possible. Yeah, I know it's not really good to have a black coffee this time of the night, but I have to edit the video you're watching right now. So thank you for watching my video, guys, and as always, shukran, alvida, ma salama, take care, and do whatever you want, my lovely friends. Bye bye, good night, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on what time are you watching. Bye bye.
और सबकी खींचते रहो.
खींचता नहीं हूँ भाई, खींचता नहीं हूँ.